From deep beneath the seas comes the all-new line of the Spin Master Monster Jam series of Megalodon. Wow, he is looking really good. All new for 2019. There's that Monster Jam authentic sticker that they have on the package. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trucks on the back of the box. We have Gravedigger, Pirate's Curse, Max D, El Toro Loco, Bounty Hunter, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and Wonder Woman. Megalodon is in the Crazy Creatures miniseries. Here we go, 1/64 scale, 1 truck, 1 figure, and 1 poster. So this is number 8 of the ones that I got at Walmart. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox Megalodon. This truck really looks good from the Spin Master, how they did it. Let's go ahead though and check out the minifigure. First of all, we'll put the truck back there. And here we go with the minifigure. It's a guy holding that steering wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the truck. I like the blue wheels and rims that they have for Megalodon. There's the Monster Jam logo. There's 2 variations of Megalodon. The other one has a black logo of the Monster Jam logo. You can see this one is gray. So this is the revised version of Megalodon. His fins right here are some kind of rubbery. So let's go ahead. He's looking really good. There's the driver in the seat. That's awesome. I like how they did that. His face though, this really looks aggressive, meaner than the Hot Wheels edition. Like his teeth, they look like 3D. There's a little bit of his inside of his mouth. Bring it around. Front Megalodon. There's what his windshield looks like. The driver is in there. Let's go ahead. Other side. Megalodon. There we go. There's his gills. There you can see the motor inside, and then the motor then goes into that chassis, which I don't really like. Right here, I wish that was the same plastic that they used for the motor that would come the whole way down, and set it off differently than just combining it with the chassis. Go ahead, show you around. His fin in the back, the little fin. Yeah. Megalodon, I really like that one. I'm gonna just compare it to this other one, and you know it. And so you can see some differences. The color of Megalodon from Spin Master is darker up top, and then they have a gray going down here. So two-tone looks better. The Hot Wheels version had a two-tone also. This one was lighter color, and then that was really lighter color down here, where this one you can see that it's a darker lighter color. And then they took away how that had red on the fin there, nothing red on the back fin, if you can see that. The curve of it is a little bit different, and up top right here it has kind of wrinkles that's just showing you just aggressive going after something. That's differences compared from the Hot Wheels version and now the Spin Master's version. I really enjoy the Spin Master version. I enjoyed collecting the Hot Wheels version as well, but you know what? Spin Master is taking over, I think. Thank you for tuning in.